Dr. Sai from Skin Sensation. So Christmas is approaching as well as there is New Year approaching. So all of us are getting decked up to look totally fresh and glowing on the day of Christmas as well as on New Year's. So what are the tips I would suggest that you should go for in order to have that look on your face that you glow and have a wrinkle-free skin? Number one, go for a full face anti-aging Botox by our latest Botox treatment, having immediate result and it is long lasting. Number two, go for party skin glow boosters. These skin glow boosters will give you a fresh, bright look on your skin. Number three, go for a latest glutathione mesotherapy, which will make you glow like a glass on the day of New Year's as well as on the Christmas. And number four, get rid of your under eye darkness or under eye tiredness by our latest injectables so as to get that fresh look on the day of New Year's as well as on the day of party of Christmas. Last but not the least, wish you a very prosperous Happy New Year and have a wonderful Merry Christmas.